We are students living in a Western city or country with friends with little to no knowledge about Islam. How do we teach them the difference between Ahmadiyya and Sunnis or Shias?
So you can simply tell them there was a prophecy of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and according to the promise of Allah Ta'ala, that in the latter days a person will appear as a subordinate and assistant of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and whose title will be Messiah and Mahdi. And all the Muslims believe that this is the true tradition, true hadith, and they are waiting for that person. But we believe that that person has appeared in the person of Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Qadian, and he claimed himself to be the promised Messiah and Mahdi. And not only that he claimed only, the Holy Prophet ﷺ foretold some heavenly and other signs. And one of those signs was the eclipse of sun and moon in the month of Ramadan on particular dates. And that happened in 1894 in the Eastern Hemisphere, Qadian and other parts of India, and in 1895 in Western Hemisphere in America as well. And it has already been well recorded in the history. So we believe that these signs have been fulfilled. There are quite a number of other prophecies, as the old means of transportation, horses and cars and other things, will be abandoned, and the new means of transportation will start. And there are so many other signs. So we believe that all the signs told by the Holy Prophet ﷺ in quite a number of traditions and Ahmadis have been fulfilled. And the claim was there, and that heavenly sign of the eclipse of sun and moon has also occurred. So we believe that since these signs have been fulfilled and the claim is there and Allah is helping the person, so we say that that person has come in the person of Mirza Ghulam Qadian. But other Muslims are still waiting for the advent of the Messiah and Mahdi. They think that the old Jesus Christ will appear again. But we say no person can live for such a long time, 2000 or more years. So Jesus has died and he is not coming again. But they are still waiting for him. But sometime they have started saying that no, now Jesus will not come and no prophet can come after the Holy Prophet ﷺ. We believe that even if the Prophet Islam claims himself to be the Messiah and Mahdi and prophet, but subordinate prophet, who will continue the work and the Sharia and spread the message of Islam according to the guidance and instruction of the Holy Prophet ﷺ and the Holy Quran. Right? So it does not break the seal of the prophethood of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Right? Yeah. But some the Muslims say that no, since the Holy Prophet ﷺ is Khatamun Nabiyyin, and now any claim of any prophethood after that is going to break the seal of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and that cannot be tolerated. We cannot bear it. Right? This is why they speak against us. But we say, no, since the person who claims himself to be the servant of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, he is spreading the message of Islam according with the prophecy of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, so it does not break the seal. No new Shariat can come, but a prophet with the Islamic Shariat, the Shariat of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and to spread the message of the Holy Quran can come, right? So this is the difference. This is what we believe and they don't believe. And ultimately, they will come when they will have to believe it, when they see according to their understanding and concept and the traditions. There has not been for any person who claims himself to be Messiah and Mahdi, right? So ultimately they will have to accept it. So, but we shall have to wait. And the Prophet Messiah Islam has said that I have come on the footstep of Jesus Christ and I am spreading the message of Islam as Jesus came as the Messiah of Moses. He said that it will not take 300 years before you will see the message of Islam and Ahmadiyya has spread all across the world, because the teaching of Jesus Christ took almost 300 years before Christianity spread all across the world, right? When the Roman Empire accepted Christianity. So but he says, you will see that much time will not lapse before you see the spread of Islam and Ahmadiyya, right? This is how we can explain to others.